Team Valse now serving. All of a sudden, bumulusok po ang Philippine Army. They lost the first 2 sets. Nakuha nila yung 3rd set. At eto, lamang sila sa 4th set. After kanina, lamang na 3 Smart Maynilad. Cotruang slammed there by Gonzaga.
Solid block. Single block,
It's gonna
Noel.
be the block of the night. Here is Cassini. Check ball.
Sa lakas ng pinapalo ng Smart Maynilad, kung ang mga blocker mo naman kasing tibay ni Gonzaga, balik din yan sa'yo.
At si Gonzaga hindi malapad ang katawan. As usually you know that yung blockers like Cassini, sabihin na natin, yung medyo malalaki katawan, intimidating. Gonzaga is just read thin with great timing. But Dakis ngayon, and Dakis gets it off the hands of the blocker of Cassini. Hindi na naabutan ni Maru.
Nagpalit ang aura ngayon sa Salmon Arena. Gising na gising naman ang Army. Mukhang nakatulog ang Smart Maynilad.
Yun na nga eh. Dakis, that's a great serve once again. Running attack, and Cassini lamang ang gumagawa para sa kupunan ng Smart Maynilad.
And now she's serving.
And that brings Sue Roses back to the front. This is a very strange experiment kanina, no? Sue Roses yung panggitna niya ngayon. Cassini. Nene. Daga by Eliza. From the back. Jovelyn biglang umatake. Ruby. Cotruang. At yun ay lumabas. Sabi ni Ruby, yun daw. Jovelyn Gonzaga. The Bionic Ilongga. Ruby running attack ngayon. Suroses.
Maganda ang pinapakita ngayon ng Philippine Army for the 4th set.
And now Cotruang. Pass over, received. And Valdez is blocked there by Salak. They go back to Eliza. Over everybody. Kept alive by Bunag. Nunag across. De Leon. And there's another joust at the net. Here is Nene. De Leon. Eliza. Gonzaga. Salak. Bunag. Roses. De Leon. Running attack Roses. And Gonzaga keeps it alive again. Ruby. Oh! Eliza Valdez. 9-7. Cotruang again. Nunag. Salak. Nene. And Gohing cannot contain it. 2017 Army. Joanne Bunag now came off the bench today for the first time in her Shakey's V-League career. Going. De Leon. Running attack Sue. Hindi na maabutan yun ni Bunag. So Sue Roses, malaki rin ang contribution dito sa 4th set.
Running attack, high percentage ang running attack ni Sue Roses compared sa quick niya.
Now Ruby De Leon. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Sala, quick set, Balse. And ano yun, net violation against Balse. Ruby De Leon discussing the play with her teammates. Nunag, Salak, Balse. Lusot na naman si Balse.
Mary Jean Balse Noel is on a roll this
sinabi mo.
4th set. Siya ang bumubuhay sa Army with Jovelyn Gonzaga.
And now Nene Bautista. And here is Roses against Dakis. Cotruang. De Leon going to Banatikla. And it cannot be dug up. And Nene Bautista will run into another A-board.
Kailangan mag-ingat-ingat na Army dahil papasok na sa frontline si Cassini.
And she is in the front line. 1-point lead for Army.
Pag ikaw blockers ng Army, Noel, alam mo na kung saan pupunta ang bola.
Pwede naman Lay Vary. Tignan natin kung ano gagawin nilang play rito. They go to Dakis. Dakis turned back. Kept alive. Hindi na niya mabubuhay. Ito si Gonzaga. 21 all. Nahabol na ng Smart Maynila yung kalamangan ng Philippine Army. Sue Rosas misses on her serve.
You don't need errors at this point of the game, lalo na ikaw yung naghahabol.
Right. Tina Salak. Going De Leon. Banatikla blocked there by Gonzaga. Cassini kept alive. Gonzaga gets it across. Eliza. Bunag. Salak. Dakis. Block. Bunag covers. Salak sets. Too near. Balse tries to fight. Nunag tries to fight. Salak gets it across. And Salak scores! Army needs 2 points to send this to a fifth set. De Leon. Maru. Nunag. Back set Gonzaga. Off the block. De Leon. Over to Eliza. Eliza misses.
Cassini is
Yan na naman. Nasaktan na naman si Cassini. Looks like she re-aggravated the thumb injury. Babalik si Nika Guliman.
tatamaan ng kanyang thumb.
Well, yun na nga. It's a bad time to get it. 3 set points now para sa Army. Salak. Ruby. Eliza. That's checked. Check ball. Balse.
A good time for Cotruang to step back in the front line.
Yun. Oh. Let's see if Eliza can get an ace. Dakis. She gets an ace.
Right
Diretso
on
kay
cue,
Dakis.
Noel
Pero si
Zarate.
Salak. Balse turned back there by Guliman, and we are tied at 24.
Who knew Smart can recover without Cassini inside? Yan ang gusto ni Coach Roger kanina
At saka
pa.
tatlong set point yung nawala doon ng Philippine Army. Eliza again. And it's now match point for Smart Maynilad.
Maipasok lang ni Eliza Valdez. Isang blank, panalo na. But Army is still at an advantage.
Eliza serving for the match. And Eliza throws it away.
Kinabahan.
Geng Balse. Manatikla. Ruby. Cotruang. Kept alive by Guliman. It's too near for... Oh, Maru Manatikla! Tinulak na lang ni Maru.
Smart move by Banatikla.
Beach volleyball.
Usually, Noel, pag ganun kalapit sa net and ang blocker mo, Rachel Andakis,
Oo.
patay na yan.
And now Banatikla serving for the match. Gonzaga. Ruby. Going to Cotruang. Still kept alive. Still kept alive. Ruby. Guliman. Nunag. Salak. Gonzaga. Going. Banatikla will set. Cotruang. Salak. Dakis. And again, Cotruang is there. From the back, Eliza. Salak now going to Gonzaga. And Gonzaga gets the check ball. With a remote control serve, let's see if it will work. Doesn't work. Going. De Leon. And De Leon gives Smart Maynilad another match point.
Over-receive, hindi nabasa ng Army yun, Noel.
Right.
Frontline pala si Ruby De Leon.
Now Nika Guliman. Can she be the hero? Match point. Smart Maynilad. Balse. Salak to Gonzaga. At buhay pa rin ang Army. Going. De Leon. Running attack ngayon. Galing kay Sue. Binuhay pa rin. Tinulak kay Salak. Buhay pa. Bunag misses. Third ball is cleared. Roses! At si Gonzaga galing sa likod. Kailangan niya itulak. Roses again. Back up again by Gonzaga. Nene Bautista. Wala! This has got to be the best set of the entire tournament.
And the whole San Juan Arena agrees with you, Noel, with
Wow.
that.
Cotruang serving for the match.
Kahit ako, pinagpapawisan na mga palad ko dito.
Gonzaga over-receives it, and it's over! Smart Maynila takes game number 1 in 4 sets.
Pagod na pagod ang players natin, Noel, pati ako napagod.
What a great set. Both these teams, tingnan mo naman yung respeto na binibigay nila sa isa't isa. It was who wanted it more, and in the end, our shaking play belongs to Smart Maynilad. It was an over-reception and an easy put away that time for Eliza Valdez. And we are now going to join Bianca Saldua, who is with our Shakey's player of the game and her guest.
Yeah, Shakey's player of the game and of course her guest. Pero ang kasama natin talaga ngayon ay si Eliza Valdez. Now, Eliza, ang dami talagang kinakabahan sa laro na ito. As in, sobrang ingay ng San Juan Arena. Maitanong ko, no, palagi, ang powerful talaga ng mga strikes mo. Pero try and try again kasi hindi naman palagi talagang natutuwa si coach sa'yo. So, ano yung mga sinasabi mo sa sarili mo para hindi mabawasan or hindi mawala ang confidence mo at palagi talagang nagsistrike pa rin?
Yun lang naman lagi din siya sabi ni Coach Roger, dapat di mawawala yung confidence sa sarili namin, sa lahat sa amin. Kasi mahirap kalaban yung sarili. Yun laging number 1 enemy talaga yung sarili. So, dapat una mong kalabanin yung sarili mo and after, syempre, yung opponent mo. And hindi, syempre, magtitiwala ka rin sa sarili mo kung nagtitiwala din yung teammates mo. Katulad ni Ate Ruby, lagi niya akong binibigyan kahit gano'ng kapangat yung set ko. So, yung spike ko pala siya. So, ayun, nagigain talaga yung confidence sa starting sa coaches, teammates. So, ikaw na yung bahala kung paano magagawin na paraan.
Alright, congratulations. You are our Shakey's player of the game. And of course, yung guest mo, meron din. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Go back to you, Noel and Michelle.
Si Ruby yung gutom eh. Si
Ngayon
Ruby
na ako
kinuha
nakakita
agad
ng
yung
guest.
pizza. May guest syempre si Eliza. Uy, si Eliza binigay nga sa yung pizza. Oh. Mahawa ka naman. And of course, mga kaibigan, Smart Maynila takes game number 1 of their best of 3 championship series. That last block by Eliza Valdez was the winning point. On behalf of Bianca Saldua and my partner si Michelle Gumabaw, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.